and how many clients we have. So these are all things we need to know first. In real time, what kind of servers will be there, and what is the purpose of that servers? That is also very important, right? So first of all, you should understand that. So how many servers are there? Okay. So generally we have development server, okay, quality server, and also production server, okay, and so pre-production server, okay, and sandbox is also one kind of server, okay. So these are all servers are there. So main servers are development, quality, and production. These servers are very important servers, okay, and this is very important servers in real time. So SAP system works on the three servers: presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. Okay, that already I explained last sessions. Okay, that is different, and this is different. SAP works on three layers: presentation, okay, database. Okay, that is different, and this is different. This is just like in real time. So what kind of servers that you can see in the client location? Okay, so client location, that means that these are all servers should be there. So the servers are always maintained at the client level. So that means every server has a client. Every server has a client. Servers are maintained at the client level only. Every server is a client. So system landscape means so list of servers. Okay, in real time, what kind of servers we have? Okay, so development, quality, pre-production, sandbox, these are all servers we can see in real time. So and so we cannot say only these servers will be there in the real time system. No, and some of the servers also maintained at the development stage also and quality stage also. Okay, so it is the client responsible how many servers he will maintain. Okay, and maintaining server is also cost effective to the company. Okay, maintaining servers is also cost effective to the company. So here you can see development server. This is generally used for the configuration perspective. Entire configuration should be done in the development only. That is the reason this is called as a golden client. This server is called as a golden client. And quality here, entire testing activities should be performed. Entire testing, all testing activities that you can do it in quality server. Okay, and production server in real time, you don't have any access. You don't have any access to edit, to post, etc, etc, etc. So that means you have only display access in the production. As a consultant, you have only display access in the production system. This is generally user have access. Users means so people who have done finance graduates, finance degree or PG, post graduation graduates from the finance commerce side. So they will be end users, right? They will post different kind of transactions on regular basis. Okay, so they have server. Okay, so for the particular user perspective, they have server that is called as a production server. This is the one of the front end layer. Okay, so production here the user have in S4 HANA they will post the transaction through Fury apps. Okay, so production is just like they will post the apps, post the transaction through Fury apps. Okay, Fury is just like it's like you can post the transaction through apps only. Okay, so there are so many apps you can also see in Fury apps. You can also download and you can post daily transaction and you can explore the reports. You can extract the reports. You can display the reports. Okay, you can means you don't have access. Only user have. You have only display access in the production system, but ECC there is no Fury apps. Okay, so in S4 HANA only Fury apps are there. Right, this is development. This is called as a golden client. Okay, here entire configuration things will be performed, and quality. So entire testing activities also performed. Okay, but in S4 HANA quality system have Fury apps. Okay, So yes, for HANA quality system, see, user has also done UAT, right? So user once we have done the configuration, then user need to post the transaction. Then it would be cleared, right? If user is not checking, that means there is a big problem. So UAT means user acceptance test. That means whatever the configuration you have performed, that is well or not, that is good or not, who will decide? User. So user also need to check. Okay, user will post the different kind of transactions in the quality server. See, but in S4 HANA, so Fury apps has also quality system. Okay, so Fury apps is a production system is there, and Fury apps have quality system also there in S4 HANA. Okay, so but in ECC version, generally you can say quality servers will be there. So how many server? Development, quality, production, pre-production, and sandbox. Okay. So pre-production generally for the UAT case, so pre-production should be used in the ECC version. Generally for ECC version, what happened? So pre-production system will be there. UAT should be conducted. UAT means user acceptance test. So if pre-production is not available, then user will perform this activity in quality system. If a pre-production system is available, then he will perform the activity in the UAT system, in the pre-production system. UAT means user has also have an access. Okay, for this pre-production system, they will conduct testing in this. Sandbox. What is meant by sandbox? What is meant by sandbox? So if you don't aware anything, okay, how to post the transactions, how to post, how to do the configuration. So you want to make research. You need some test server where servers does not affect. Okay, which server should be preferred? Sandbox. Okay, so servers are always maintained at the client level. Okay, this is a system landscape. Okay, system landscape is nothing but list of servers. How many servers we have? So development, quality, pre-production, production, and sandbox. These are all servers we have. So only these servers are there, or any apart from this, any other servers will be there? Yes. See, for for a paper has different servers. Okay, and for basis team has different servers. Okay, servers are different. Okay, so in SAP we can create 999 clients in SAP. Okay, 999 clients in SAP. We can create 999 servers in SAP. Okay, so these details, development is only for configuration, golden client. Quality is only for entire testing activities from your side, and production is only users will post the transaction, edit the transaction, and do it anything. So pre-production is nothing but so user want to test before moving to the production. Okay, so if any change need to move to production, then user need to check first. Okay, so this will be happen in the pre-production. Here users have also access. And sandbox system. If you don't aware anything, so you don't know how to do the configuration for GLs and all. This is just like a training purpose. Okay, training purpose for testing purpose, and you can do it anything. System servers will not affect anything. Okay, one more thing that you need to understand that in real time, so you don't have server, you don't have this edit post option in the production system. In production system, you don't have any access apart from the display access. And display access, only you have display access. Okay, so you cannot post or you cannot edit. In exceptional cases, you will have that option, like you need to take firefighter ID. You need to apply for the firefighter ID for this getting the production access in particularly for the month ending, year ending case. So you need to apply firefighter ID, and procedure will be there in the company to getting the production access. Okay, so particularly for month ending, year ending cases, or any urgent cases, okay, then firefighter ID should be generated from your side, and you need to apply to security team. Security team will provide all the T code access in real time, month ending, year ending T code access. So apart from this, in real time, you don't have any access like posting the entries. Okay, posting the entries, editing the entries. So only user need to perform this. Only users need to perform posting and transactional entries. Only users will perform the activities. Okay, any questions from this place? In real time, what happened? Production system is called as a production server, is a Fury apps in S4 HANA. Okay, and in real time for ECC version, so directly it's a production server. Okay, how the server will be there, I will show you right now. This is GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, GUI. And so if you want to see the details, like if you want to accessing the SAP system, there are two things we can see. One is GUI, graphical user interface, and second one is web browsers. You can also go through the web browser also. Okay, so just to go to variable logon, just double click on this. See here the client 800 is showing. What does this mean? Say it is a IDES, it is a testing, it is a for an educational perspective, this server has been given by SAP. Okay, so this is EHP 7 ERP 6.0. This is ECC version. Okay, you are right now using this ECC version. Okay, and the client 800 represents, so every server has a client, development has one client, quality has one client, production has one client, pre-production has one client, sandbox one client. So in SAP we can create 999 servers. Okay, and see how the SAP will work, that is different. Okay, that I am not talking about the how the SAP will work. This is works on the R3. The SAP will work on R3, right? R means real time and 3 means 3 servers: application, production server, database servers. That is different. Okay, here what I am saying. So in order to work and fulfill the client requirement, how many servers will be maintained? So that things I am explaining. Okay, in real time, which server that you need to work. Okay, so development, quality, pre-production, and production servers. These are all servers we have in SAP system. Okay, so development is just like a client. Say every development has a client. This should be in real time 110 100 client. Okay, and this is a 110 client. Okay, and this production has 120 client. Okay, and this product pre-production has 130 client. Client is the 3-digit numerical number. This is a 140 number, but this number is not same every time. Okay, so if you go to a different kind of clients, like if you go to any company, you can also see the client details. So these servers are not same all time. Okay, like this 130 number, 140, this is not same. Okay, this should be vary. So here just understand that client means a 3-digit numeric number. So once you open SAP system, so you will come to know the servers, right? So this is a 800 client. 800 client means what? IDS. Like that here, this is 120 client. 120 client means production server. 100 client means development server. Like that for identification. So SAP identification, which client you are working. Okay, so this is just like identification. So client 100 is development, right? If anyone says it is 110 client, that means it's a quality. If anyone says it is 130 client, means it's a pre-production. Like that. So you need to take the KT for this in real time, because server's maintenance is completely at the client level. Okay, this client 3-digit numeric number is not same for all times. Okay, not same completely. Okay, company to it should be vary. It should be vary. So this is all about system landscape. So for regarding the system landscape, you need to understand. So how many servers are there with the client? Okay, maintaining servers is also cost effective to the company. I will show you. I just give you one thing right away. See here, so development server, quality server, and production server. Production server is always only one. Okay, and in testing there are multiple clients. Testing client 210, quality client 220, training client 230. So this maintenance, right? So here the client is maintaining these 3 servers. Okay, here the client is maintaining the sandbox should not be come under the development. It's a different client. Okay, so this is maintained at so 2 clients. Okay, and sandbox is different. So like that, so here pre-production is not there. So it depends upon the client. He want to use pre-production or not. He want to use quality client or not. He want to use a training client or not. Because maintaining servers is cost effective to the company. Every server has a client. Okay, this is a development server. So under development server, sandbox client, so 3110, and configuration client 320. So the development test client 330. So this is EC system. So testing client 210, quality client 210, training client 230, and production client 100. Okay. See, if you open up this, see, this is a server. This is server. See, like that here you can see only one server. Like that in real time there are 3 or 4 servers, 6 servers also there. Production, pre-production, quality, development, like that. Okay, so here it is only one server is showing. You need to set up this all. So this is group server, right? So once you click on this, system is opening. But real time, so you need to edit this. So editing. See, here you can see this is the application server. So here it's given 193.82.112.39. This is the IP address. Okay, server details. This is server details, instance number. So you need to be set up the like this in real time for the another clients also. Got it? See, development server, quality server, and pre-production server. So every server has a client. So production client, testing client, quality client, training client, sandbox, configuration client, and development client. Okay, like that. So 310, 320, 330, and this is a SAP servers. Development server, quality server, and production server. SAP landscape is the system environment where SAP projects is implemented. SAP basis consultant prepare the landscape like development server, quality server, and production server. Who is responsible for these servers maintenance? Basis team. Okay, so basis team is responsible for complete maintenance of all the servers in real time. Okay. So we can create 999 clients in SAP only. So we see for ABAP client, ABAP has a different kind of clients. Okay, ABAP has also different kind of clients. So system landscape means list of servers. So these are all has clients. Okay, so development, this is one kind of server, has this is a client. Quality, this is client. Correction, this is client. Okay, so this is the overview regarding the servers in real time. Like so if you have like if you are into implementation project, okay, so you have done all the GL settings, have done all the GL settings. Okay, so you have done all the GL setting. What is next? So next all the configuration changes forwarded to quality system. So here we need to perform testing. Okay, and if it is fine, then you need to forward to pre-production system. If pre-production is not there, the user will perform the UAT in the quality system also. So here UAT we need to take. Then if UAT is successful, then you need to forward this GL changes in the production. Then in the production, user will post the transactions. Okay, so whatever the configurations are there, that you can do it on the golden client. That means development client, development server only. See, quality server. So here you can you need to perform entire testing activities. Pre-production you can take UAT from this place. Sandbox, if you don't have anything, so you want to make research or explore, okay, and you need to provide any training to the users, okay, or else your friends, colleagues, whoever, then sandbox server should be used. So there is no effect, there is no impact if you do anything here. But these are all things are very important in real time. Okay, so development is a very important server. So whatever the configurations you are doing in the development stage, that is very, very vital. Okay, that is the reason it's a golden client. So don't do any testing in this development servers. Got it? So don't do anything in the servers in real time. Got it? So these are all basic things like See, servers maintenance will be done by a basis consultant only. So servers maintenance completely done by basis team only. The SAP landscape is the SAP system environment where SAP project is implemented. SAP basis consultant prepare landscape like development server, quality server, and production server. So SAP system clients are created for different purposes. So SAP servers, SAP software versions. Okay, clients 310, 320, 330, 210, 220. So this is just like every server has a client. So these are every server has a clients. This is client. This is client. Okay, so customizing. So I will tell you this concept because so this is a little bit advanced. Okay, right now just understand that. So how many servers? Development, quality, and production. Every server has a client. Okay, every server has a client. Sandbox has one client, and development has one client, and production server has one client. So this is the system landscape. Okay. Now I will give you one assignment right now. How many people will answer this assignment? I just want to check it out. Okay, so you guys know right now what is FI, what is CO, what is S4 HANA, what is HANA. Okay, and what are the roles and responsibilities that an SAP FI CO or S4 HANA consultant will do in real time. Okay, and how many servers and every server has a client. Okay, how many clients will be there. Okay, on what basis we need to maintain. So who will the maintenance of the servers is done by only basis consultant. So basis is just like a do administration. So he has only access. Servers are maintained at a client level. Okay. So now tell me one thing. So I will share you one real-time scenario like how the business requirement need to gather in real time. Okay. So this is just like a profile. Okay. So just have a look at this profile. Now tell me what are the things like here Tata Motors Limited is there, right? Company profile, and just read out this first and tell me and what are the points that you understand in this paragraph. Tell me what are the points you got from this paragraph, from this company profile.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, Tata is a company, and Tata Motors Limited is the company code. And that company code has two plant. One is Gurgaon, another one is in here Jamshedpur, and likewise uh, they have some purchase organization as well as dealer.
Okay.
So anything, any question there, then I can answer on this.
No. Any other person explain completely,
Okay.
like how the requirement should be gathered from FI, SD, and which areas belongs to which model. Just I need to check with you. So people who already taken training, then they might have this scenario.
So Tata Motors company is separate purchase group is maintained, and some plant manufacturing is material is there. Import chest. Other companies is imported manufacturing materials also.
Okay.
So first of all, sir, we came to know about the company structure. Then come to this purchase and sales department. That means the vendor details. Apart from that, since we got the information about this vendor, then we have to do our integration with the that is material management. Apart from that, sales and distribution, since we have to associate it with the sales also.
Okay, next. Anyone?
Hello.
Sir,
Yeah.
company
Hello.
registered as
Yeah.
hello sir.
Yeah.
Hello
Sir,
sir.
this profile is related to
Profile
MM, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Anyone?
Hello.
Hello
Yeah,
sir.
Sweet here, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that we have the data company as the parent company, and they have two company codes that we can be maintained, like for one for Gurgaon and for one for Jamshedpur.
Okay.
And one purchasing organization can be set up for the procurement of material service for both of those company codes.
Okay.
And so more than that, one company can we can assign one company with doing purpose for imports, and we can maintain the vendors also, dealers also, like for that exports purpose and for sales purpose.
Okay.
So this is what I understood from this reading, sir.
Okay, anyone?
Hello sir. The company is Tata Motor Limited, and the company has registered in 2013 in India, and it is it's a paragraph between to sell to manufacturing service sector to both company codes will be there in this state, to export to the materials and services in Jamshedpur, like car manufactured in Jamshedpur, and taking to the purchase order and to service to the to export to the other to products in like domestic market. It's also export to the products in outside of India. Like
Okay.
it's like two company codes there in like
Okay, right. Next.
company codes, sir. Like Jamshedpur and
Okay, next. Anyone?
Tata Motors will be having material management module also is included here.
Okay.
Company code is same, but material management also included this financial controlling and material management also included.
Okay. Right. Okay, let me explain this concept in detail. Okay, so here this is the company profile, right? So Tata Motors Limited is a registered company as per Companies Act 2013 in India. Okay, so Tata Motors Limited is a registered company. Got it? Tata Motors Limited is a registered company as per Companies Act 2013 in India. It's completely registered company. See, under one company, there are multiple company codes will be there. The Tata Motors, Tata is a company, but under Tata is a company, but under Tata Salt, okay, and Tata Water, Tata Telecommunication, okay, and many other company codes will be there. Right here, the company code details are not specified. That means only one company and one company code. Tata Motors Limited is a registered company as per Companies Act 2013 India. It's a company. Company and company code is not same. Company is for group reporting. Company code is just like individual reporting. So under one company, so many company codes will be there. Okay. So that is the reason Tata Motors Limited is a registered company as per Companies Act 2013. But company codes are didn't mentioned here. That means we can take it as a only one company code. Okay. And it has two manufacturing unit. Car is manufactured in Gurgaon plant and bus and truck is manufactured in the Jamshedpur. That means how many plants we have? One is the Gurgaon location and the Jamshedpur location. Two plants we have. So in real time, so plant details, plant will be created by people. Company code will be created by FI people. Okay. So plant data is at the company code level. Plant data will be maintained by people. Okay. Company code data will be created by FI people. Okay, company will be created by FI people. Okay, here he clearly mentioned that car and bus and truck, these are the divisions. So divisions are created by people in real time. So car is car, bus and truck. So these are just like a divisions. We can call it as a divisions. So divisions are created by people. Okay, and here Gorgan and also here you can see Jamshedpur. That means business areas. So business areas are created by FI people. Okay. One purchasing organization does the procurement of material, services and assets for both plant and company code. That means so we have one purchase organization for one location. That means totally two purchase organizations are there. So purchase organization means what? If you want to purchase any raw material, sales, etc., it is happened only a purchase organization in real time. So whatever you purchase, that will be happened through only purchase organization only. So purchase organization comes under the MM model. Got it? How many purchase organizations are there? Two purchase organizations. Okay, and the separate purchasing group. Purchasing group means those people who are procuring the active materials, raw materials. These are a group of person who are responsible for procuring activities. So those people who are purchasing, that group is named as a purchasing group in real time. This is the segregation. Purchase organization will be created by people. Purchasing group will be created by people. Okay. And company created by FI people. Company code will be created by FI people. Business area will be created by FI people. Okay. And here you can see for Gorgan and the Jamshedpur plant, some materials are imported from outside India. What does mean imported? Imported mean coming or going?
Coming, sir.
Coming.
We are importing the material from the other countries.
Yes, we are importing materials from outside. That means vendors. Who are the vendors? External vendors, foreign vendors. Okay, we are purchasing raw material from the foreign vendors. Okay, so vendor, who will create the vendor in real time? Master data team. So in real time, master data team, vendor, customer, okay, asset, GL, these are all called as a bank. These are all called master data, right, in FI. So master data team will handle this, all the master data, vendor creation, customer creation, material creation, GL creation, bank creation, asset creation. These are all things will be done by master data team only. Okay. So here first understand that some material. So material is imported from outside India. Material will be created by whom? Material is also master data. Material is a master data. Master data team will create. Okay. Or else user will create. So user have access to create a material, GL, okay, asset, bank, okay, vendor, customer, user will create. So we don't have access in the real time for creation of this material directly in the production. So master data will be created directly in the production system. Okay, directly in the production system. So there is separate team will be there. Okay, and here outside vendor, that means foreign vendor is there. Tata Motors sells its products to dealership in Indian domestic market. Sales means what? Which model?
SD, sales and distribution.
SD.
Yes.
Sales and distribution.
Sales model. See, you are procuring the material from the outsiders, and also you are procuring the you are purchasing the materials from the insiders also, right? That means external vendors, internal vendors. Okay, vendors are two types, three types. Many types will be there. What the external vendors mean? Foreign vendors. Internal means Indian domestic vendors. You are purchasing the material, some material from the domestic vendors and some material from the foreign vendors. Okay, so like that here you need to sell the product to customers. Some of the products are from India, and some of the customer from India, and some of the customer from outside India also. Okay, who will create the customer master data in real time?
Sir, SD people and user also.
No. Yeah, SD users and the master data management team.
Master data
management.
Okay, but directly create in production system only. Non-production system we have access, everything we have. Tell me what is the production systems and non-production systems. See, this is a main. This will be, so you don't have access in real time for creation and etc. These are all non-production systems. These are all non-productions. Okay. So in real time, so development one client, quality one client, and production one client. 3 servers. Under these servers, we can development. There are different clients. Quality, we have different clients. Production, we have different client. Sandbox is a training. This it should not be comes under the servers. Okay. So this is just like for use and throw purpose. That's it. So for the maintenance, okay, like training purpose and for research and doing just like for our research purpose, this also it should be used. Okay, so main servers only 3, under 3 servers, so all clients should be comes into picture. So that's just I have shown you, right? So this is like that. All the servers will come. This is development server, quality server, production server. Production server, every production server has a client. So this is 100 client, and quality server has a client. Okay, and sandbox development server has a client. Every server has a client. Okay. So the sandbox should not become over here. Okay, only 3 servers. Under these servers, we can maintain different clients. We can maintain 999 clients in SAP. Okay, so ABAP has a different clients, and like Basis has different clients. So BW has different clients. Okay, like that. Now you guys understand, right? What I'm saying.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
the modules of SAP అని మీరు చెప్పలేదు కదా సార్ MM SD ఇవి ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మేము అని చెప్పేసి.
Yeah, I'm just continuing. Okay, just asking if you have any doubts. Okay, see.
Yes, ఇది మీరు ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఇచ్చారు కదా దాన్ని అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం బట్ ఇది దీని అండర్ లోకి వస్తుందని చెప్పి మాకు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ కావట్లేదు.
Don't worry, madam. See, I didn't complete this. Okay, I'm just explaining, right? So I will segregate this all right now. Okay. So I say am I completed? No. So I didn't complete. Okay. So these are all things FI data, logistics. I'm just explaining. Let me finish up this. Don't worry. Many sessions are there. Just understand. So Tata Motors is the company, right? This comes under the FI model. Tata Motors Limited. Yes.
Sir, production server, MM server or FI server?
అన్ని అందరికి ఫంక్షనల్ కన్సోల్ అందరికి ఒకటే. ఓకే,
ఓకే,
ఈ సర్వర్స్ ఫంక్షనల్ కన్సోల్ FI MM SD PP అందరికి ఒకటే. ఓకే,
ఓకే సార్.
సో టాటా మోటార్స్ లిమిటెడ్ is a registered company. Okay, it's a registered company. Okay, Tata Motors Limited is a registered company. That means comes under FI model. Okay, and company code comes under the FI model. Business area comes under the FI model. Plants comes under the MM model. Okay, and purchase organization comes under the MM model. Purchasing group comes under the MM model. Business areas comes under the FI model. Purchasing group comes under the MM model. Okay, so Tata Motors sales comes under the SD model. See, you are selling the products to dealership showroom. We need to sell the products, right? This is the dealership showrooms are called as a distribution channel in SAP SD model. Okay, and sales will be happen to sales organization like purchase organization in MM, but in SAP sales will be happen to sales organization. Okay, this is SD. Okay, this is dealership is just like a distribution. This is comes under SD model. Okay, so exports means customers or what is meant by export?
Yes, it's customer.
Yes, it's customer.
Yes.
And the customers are outsiders. It's a foreign customers. Okay, now guys segregate. Okay. So segregate the details right now. Sales organization. Okay, Gurgan and Jamshedpur.
I am asking production server is MM server or FI server? How to decide it that?
See, I told you, madam. So how many servers we have?
Actually, 5 servers is.
No.
In real time,
3 servers is main. Development server, quality server, production server.
Listen to me first. Development server, quality server. Next,
production
server, right?
Production server,
Yes, sir.
pre-production server.
The development has how many clients? So this depends
Three
upon this
100.
three depends. Okay. See, I already show you this all these things. You are asking the same question.
Okay, sir.
See, under quality server, these are all clients will be there. It is the client choice. If client maintain only one, see under quality server, if a client maintain only one client, that's more than enough. It depends. Okay, how many clients that maintain we cannot say. It depends upon the organization. Some organization have only one client. Some organization have 3 clients, and some organization have in the development 3, 4. It depends. Okay. But only servers development quality, this is for all functional module, all FI, MM, SD, only 3 servers.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Now we are discussing about the sales organization, distribution channel. Okay, distribution channel, dealer and showroom, and sales organization. So this is comes under the SD model. Distribution channel comes under the SD model. So distribution channel means how the selling your products, right? So the dealership and showroom, that is called as a distribution channel. Okay, sales organization, through sales organization we need to sell. Okay, so that is called as SAP SD model. Purchase and organization comes under the MM model. Okay, logistics general comes under the plant. Okay, logistics it's MM division MM. Okay, company code, business area, credit control area, these are all comes under the FI model. So this is the segregation. But vendor creation will be done by real time vendor master data team. Customer master, see master data team only. See, master data is just like GL master, vendor master, customer master. Okay, all the master data we have. Okay, so master data directly created in the production system. Okay, so there is a, see, that is the reason. So production master data team